Prepare the stand components and tools. Install the wheels. Repeat the same on the other side. Ensure the grooved side faces inward. Assemble the legs and feet of the stand. Repeat the same on the other side. Assemble the finished part with the next component. Install the waste ink bottle bracket. Aligning the mounting holes on the bottom of the printer, with the locating beads on the stand. Install the connecting spacer. Place the waste ink bottle and insert the waste ink tube into the bottle. Open the front and side panels. Turn the knob counterclockwise to lower the ink station. Move the carriage to the left. Prepare the tools for printhead installation. Take out the printhead cables and install them to the printhead. Apply waterproof tape to the cable connections. Mount the printhead onto the carriage base. Install the ink damper holder. Insert the color ink damper into the holder. Plug the cable into the slot on the cartboard. Install the computer stand base to the printer.